Hello my friends, this is Helen and glad to have you here. Today we are going to talk about some common mistakes in pronunciation when speaking Chinese. During my teaching experience, I've come across many students who are making the same mistakes all the time, especially the self-learners. Maybe they have learned Chinese for a long time, they have large vocabulary and are able to express difficult things correctly. But if there is no teacher to remind them, they just neglect some rules in pronunciation very easily. So today, I'd like to say something about the vowel yu. Firstly, it's hard to pronounce it because there is no such a sound in most languages. But here I have a tip for you. You know the sound yu is a combination of I and U. The tongue in your mouth is the same as when we say I, but your lips is the same as U. You can see that when we say U, your lips is in a round shape. That means when we say U, it should also be in a round shape. You can do like this. First, pronounce I and keep it. Then, only change your lips to a round shape. Follow me. I. Yeah, you can see in the end, you have got the sound yu. Okay, right. Now, let's try some words. Okay, first one, green. We say 绿色 yu. 绿色 Second one, woman. 女人 女人 Okay, now can you say them correctly? I hope my tips may help you. But my point today is not just about how to pronounce yu. There are many students who can say the words like these very well, but they still make mistakes with yu. Maybe they don't know that sometimes when you see wu in a syllable, actually we say yu. For example, when we say to go, 去, right? Not 去, okay, it's 去, yu, 去. Okay. Another example, when we say sentence in Chinese, 句子 yu, 句子 Yes. Okay, another one, the word which means to need, 需要 需要 You may feel confused. When we say yu, why do we write wu here? Where are the two dots? To tell you the truth, when we Chinese were learning pinyin in primary school, we found it headache as well. Our teacher just told us, when little yu meets ji, qi, xi, he takes off his hat to show respect. That's how we Chinese learn the rule. Don't ask why, just remember it. That means when you see ji, qi, xi with wu together, you should say yu instead of wu. There is another one you need to pay attention. It's I. When you see these two are together, the same, we don't say wu, we say yu. Let's try this word. Fish. 鱼 鱼 我喜欢吃鱼 I like to eat fish. The rule also applies for compound vowels. Let's see some examples. When you say, I feel, I think, 我觉得 yu, 觉 觉得 When you say to study, 学习 yu, 学 Also for skirt, 裙子 yu, 裙 when we say cloud. 云 云 Okay, now let's read all the words again with me. 绿色女人去句子需要于觉得学习裙子云 Okay, can you read them correctly now? Before we end this video, I'd like to give you some sentences to practice the yu sound. First one, tomorrow I will buy some skirts. 明天我去买裙子。Second one, I feel this sentence is good. 我觉得这个句子很好。Third one, he needs to study Chinese. 他需要学习汉语。Pay attention, we are learning Chinese. 汉语. Don't make it wrong. Okay, that's it all for today. If you have any question about the yu sound, please leave a comment and I will reply. See you next time. 再见。